Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to share a YouTube video on Reddit social media platform. Let me go here and open my YouTube channel. Now on the top right corner, here you will see your channel logo. Then you can simply go back to the YouTube studio. And now on the left side, you can click on content. And you can find out all of the videos that you have uploaded. Okay. Now let me scroll down and copy any video link. For example, this one, get shareable link, and then you can easily create your free Reddit account. This one, using this social media platform, you can get a lot of traffic. Then click on create, and here you can add the title. For example, let me go and check the title, this one. Okay, so if you want to add the link, then it will automatically get the title from the URL, this one. Then click on post button. Scroll down, and here you need to select a community, this one. Then scroll down and click on post button. Here you can see this one is the link.